Good morning. It's still a block of snow. The heck? Look at that tree. Hold on. It's like it has crystals. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. Okay, I'm gonna go for a walk. So now I'm almost there at the lake. Oh my gosh. The ice just fell. So if it fell on I should be fine. My head is hard. Look at that. All the ice are melting. Look at the birds. Beautiful lake. I'm gonna zoom. See. Let's go back home because I'm cold, but not as cold as before. It's tolerable. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom. They're right there. They're swimming. Hello, ducks. Hello, beautiful ducks. Okay, bye. I'm going now. I said earlier I'm going home, but this area is so pretty, so I'm just gonna stay here for a while. Maybe like 5 more minutes before I go home. It's just so pretty. The lake, the frozen trees. I like it a lot. Too bad my gimbal's battery is down, so I'm just using my hands to record. I like the apples. It's like in the middle of the lake. Oh, look at that bird. Ooh. So free. I can't go past it, so I'll just stay here. Look at the clouds. I like the clouds. It's moving super slow. In this icy town. See, look at that car. It can go up. Oh, look at that. It did park all the way. My battery is low. It's only 1%. I'm gonna turn this off now, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Everything is frozen. Everything is frozen. So pretty. Crystal trees.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Nipsey! My cat is on the tree. What are you? Oh my goodness. Those are not comfortable. Okay.